So hello guys, is your YouTube TV buffering like this? So I'm just showing you the YouTube. So it is the same, it will buffer like this. So is your YouTube TV buffering like this? So first of all, you need to check on your YouTube TV internet connection. Is your, I mean, your device internet connection. Just check your Wi-Fi on or not. Just if it's not on, just turn on the Wi-Fi and connect any of the Wi-Fi you have, and then check your internet connection is it is on or not. Just click on a just search first on the Google, then click on here. Just check your internet connection is it is running on the full potential or not. Just check that, and after that just go to YouTube or YouTube TV. Just refresh the page, and if it is not working, still not working, then check the ISP is YouTube TV ban from their end. Is it can be a issue from the ISP, or just check your resolution, video resolution or streaming resolution from here. You can see just selected on auto. You can select any of the resolution, just lower the resolution and check if it is working or not. So that's it, that's how you can select and fix the YouTube TV buffering.